Welcome back, our dear viewers. This is We Are Malawi YouTube channel. In the second episode, we're talking about how to take care of the water and how we use water. It was all about sanitation. And in this third episode, it's just a continuation of how we can take care of the things that help us health-wise. And today, in this episode, I'm going to explain on how to use a public toilet. There has been a complaint that most people don't use the toilets properly. So this is the way we're going to do it. Please follow me. Here we are, guys. This is our seat. And we can use this for flushing if you have the water. And then, when you come here, I'll start with the don'ts. This is just a nice seat. Please don't stand on the sink. Please don't stand on the seat. This seat is meant for you to sit. Now, that is the first don't. When you come here, this is a male, this is a gents toilet. So please make sure when you come here, don't spill your urine anyhow in the seats. Make sure that your urine drops straight into the hole. Now, what are you supposed to do when you come? Please make sure that you have enough tissue. You have enough tissue like this. Yeah. Oh, my tissue is like, whoops. So you have enough tissue. You do it like this. Clean the sink and the seat. Throw it there. If you are not satisfied, please get another tissue. Clean it as much as possible. Throw it there. Then you can flush in case somebody left the urine there. Some people are reckless, you know. So you flush, goes with the water. Unfortunately, we don't have water. So, you get another tissue. Please, I said, please have enough tissue because these are public toilets. Some people may have infections. So when they sit there, they leave their germs there, and then when you just come and sit there, it becomes a problem. So you get your tissue, lay it here. Like that. You get another tissue, you lay it here, and then you get another tissue, you lay it here. So you can see, you can easily sit there now. Very comfortable. You can sit there. And then when you have done everything that you came here for, remember to take them back into the hole. And then flush. And then it goes. And make sure you leave the toilet as clean as possible, because your friends may also need to use it. That was it, our dear viewers. We're talking about how to use a public toilet properly to make sure that it's always clean. Now, you can see that this is very important. Please make sure that you subscribe to our channel, We Are Malawi, on YouTube. Like it, share the video with your friends. Until next time, bye-bye. This has been your host, Lucas Tanira. Bye-bye.